Hello everyone, welcome to Tawheed Tech. In today's video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix a video not shows on your timeline inside the Adobe Premiere Pro, where you try to import a video onto your timeline, only the audio shows, there's no video in there. So as you can see, I'm trying to import the end screen on my editing video in there, only the audio import, there's no video in there. So as you can see, if I'm trying to grab from here, there's nothing in there. So let me show you how you can fix that issue inside the Adobe Premiere Pro. So let me delete that one. So only what you have to do is, as you can see on the timeline, inside there's a V1 option is on. So what you have to do is you have to click one more. V1 shows behind the lock. So if you click on that one, the both is enabled and the blue with the blue tick. So if you try to import the video now, as you can see, the both video is import to your timeline. So if you ever run into this issue and anyhow onto your timeline inside the Adobe Premiere Pro, have a look in the option in there. It will try to fix your audio and the video same time. So if you like my quick fix tutorial video for Adobe Premiere Pro audio and video fix, so please leave a like and I will see you in next tutorial video. Thank you.